This is an olive tree. Its scientific name is Olea Europaea. It is an important plant, and its leaves are used in herbal medicines to lower blood pressure and boost immunity. Its fruit, the olive, is used to produce olive oil, staple ingredient in Mediterranean cuisine and rich source of antioxidant. Additionally, olive are enjoyed as nutritious and delicious snack. In the tree itself is a symbol of peace, wisdom, and prosperity in many culture. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon. Bye bye.